Lesson 6. The form of the possessive genitive in English language. Građenje prisvojnog genitiva u engleskom jeziku. Prisvojni genitiv se gradi dodavanjem apostrofa i s imenicama u jednini množini. The possessive genitive is built by adding apostrophe and s nouns in singular and plural. Man plus apostrophe plus s plus job, muški posao. Man plus apostrophe s plus jobs, men's jobs, muški poslovi. People plus s plus apostrophe plus choice, people's choice, ljudski izbor. People plus apostrophe plus s plus choices, people choices, ljudski izbori. Child plus apostrophe plus s plus voice, child's voice, dečiji glas. Children plus apostrophe plus s plus voices, children's voices, dečiji glasovi. Student plus apostrophe plus s plus book, student book, studentska knjiga. Students plus apostrophe plus s plus books, students books, knjige studenata. Imenicama u množini koje se završavaju na s dodaje se samo apostrof. To nouns in the plural ending in s, only an apostrophe is added. Workers plus apostrophe plus rights, workers' rights, radnička prava. Students plus apostrophe plus exams, students' exams, studentski ispiti. Girls plus apostrophe plus school, girls' school, devojačke škole. Ako lice ili predmet označen imenicom koja dolazi posle apostrofa i s pripada dvema ili više osoba, apostrof s se stavlja iza posljednjeg imena tih osoba. If the person or the thing expressed by the noun following apostrophe s belongs to two or more persons, apostrophe s in add to the name of the last of these persons. John and James' dog, Jill and Mary's sister. Upotreba prisvojnog genitiva. The use of the possessive genitive. Prisvojni genitiv se upotrebljava sa imenicama koje označavaju ljude, životinje, zemlje. My sister's flat is very comfortable. James' mother is a teacher. Duck's eggs are green. U izrazima za vreme, in time expressions. In 2 years' time, a week's holiday, today's paper, 10 minutes break. Upotrebljava se sa sljedećim imenicima. One plus apostrophe s, one's. Someone plus apostrophe s, someone's. No one plus apostrophe s, no one's. Anyone plus apostrophe s, anyone's. Everyone plus apostrophe s, everyone's. Everybody plus apostrophe s, everybody's. Somebody plus apostrophe s, somebody's. Anybody plus apostrophe s, anybody's. Somebody else plus apostrophe s, somebody else. Imenica koja dolazi posle apostrofa i s često se izostavlja, naročito reči shop, house, theater, church, places of business. The noun following apostrophe s is often omitted, especially with the words shop, house, theater, church, places of business. Baker's shop, baker's. Who's the bag? It's father's.